Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and check mutual friend on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app in our mobile phone. Once we have opened up our Snapchat app, the thing that we have to make sure is, if we go to our profile icon over here, even if we we can see this a friends option, right? But if let's say we go to our chat section and then we will choose a friend of ours, and if we do not have an option of tapping on that person's my friend list. We cannot see their friend list and see who are mutual of ours, or we do not have any other option like that, is because this is a privacy reason. Snapchat doesn't allow for you to show that. It is also depends on the user as well. If they have chose to hide it, you cannot find it. Other thing that you can guess it, if you go to this add friends section and tap on this icon, in this quick add section, if you have got recommendations, so quick add recommendations comes from the person that you're connection with, and some your friends are also connected with. There are some similarity, and that's why you get the quick add app option, and also you can guess it from over there. Another thing, if you go to your profile and tap on settings icon, and then if you go to this option called customize emojis, then you will be able to find this all of the emojis that actually shows some connection. You can see, let's say if in case you are friends with somebody you have been chatting on, and if that shows this kind of icon, mutual BFS, you can see, and this too shows the mutual besties and the BFs icon. So this is one of your way to find out who you are mutual with in your Snapchat. And this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.